the mind-blowing digit of pi. What's going on in the adventure and learn what pi is. Table of contents, what pi equals to. Page 3. How you know what pi equals to. Page 4. Why I memorized the digit of pi. Page 5. Things I want to tell you about pi. Page 6. I think you don't know about pi. Page 7. What does pi equal to? Pi is the number that the circumference over diameter. Pi is approximately 3.14, but there's more digits than 3.14. How is the sum of those digits? It is 3.141593826643383279502841971693993710582097494459. And that is all that I'll tell you for now, since we don't have all day to present. Use a circle. Put an arrow that is pointed down, that is on the bottom of the circle. Hold the circle until it's pointing down again. Use the length of the circle until it's longer than where the circle stopped rolling. So mark where the length of the circle ends. And if it's not enough for you, then mark a line in the middle of where it's the left of where the circle stopped rolling, and a line right of where the circle stopped rolling. If it's still not enough, put a line in the middle of the line left of the line where the circle stopped rolling, and the line that is right of the middle of the line where it's the right of the line that is the most right on the paper. Now you know pi equals 3.14. If you don't know what I meant, I'll show you. My English isn't that good. Why I memorize the digits of pi? Pi has infinite digits. Pi is interesting to me. I wanted to know more digits than just 3.141592653589793. I wanted to know more about pi. I thought pi was just called a pi for fun. So I thought it was interesting to memorize the digit of pi. I didn't know pi had infinite digits because I thought no number had infinite digits. It's funny that they spelled P-I and not P-I-E. I memorized the digit of pi for fun, not for a serious problem. I saw a video that says 1,000 digits of pi, but it was fake. So that gave me the idea of memorizing the digit of pi. If you don't remember the digit of pi, and then I will tell you. 3.141592653582997169399862802348251170678. I don't have all day to tell you the digits of pi. Things I want to tell you about pi. If you forget, pi is circumference over diameter. You only need to know 3.14159. Pi is a circle. That means the pi equals pi. Pi can be used in math. You don't have to know that in second grade. Think of a pizza. Use the crust and put the crust on top of identical pizzas. The crust will cover about 3.14 pizzas. I might be surprised that I know pi is a number. Pi might be everywhere without you noticing. Things I think you don't know about pi. Pi is circumference over diameter. Pi is 3.141592653589793. Pi is a circle. Pi could be a part of a joke like math is a piece of pie.